Hey Pat, it's Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a true architectural shingle. So I wanted to bring you up so you can see what you got going on. So the first thing that I noticed as I came up the ladder was that you had some impacts that are indicative of hail in your soft metals. So you can see where something's kind of pushed down on the metal here. A really good example is probably on this side. Ooh, yep, that's the one. So you can see where it impacted the soft metals here, this like aluminum. You've got a couple of those. So then I want to take a look and see if your shingles were showing any of the same signs. So while having the tree coverage farther away is nice, because then you don't have to worry about like getting on your gutters, it does cause for some problems once the shingles start to get older, and that's because they start to blister, right? So what happens is the shingles themselves overheat, and then the asphalt kicks the granules off. So as you can see here, all of this is blistering where the shingles have just started to kick their granules off, and that's happening across the board. These are really good signs of it, but once you get into a little higher up, it starts to kind of clear out a little, and you can see the difference between impacts and actual blistering. So this would be like blistering. And then you can see here where something has pushed the granules down into the asphalt. It's another really great example that was pretty big. So we got another one over here and one right here. So those impacts are indicative of hail, and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on your west facing slope. And then the same going across the east. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 here. And then up on your front facing where it catches a lot of sun. So it's kind of harder to see it, just considering like the sun hits it all day long. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up in that area. And it's just a test square, so a 10 by 10 square area is really what you're looking for. As far as your leak goes in the bedroom, I'm thinking this is probably your culprit. And any valleys, they're just tricky, right? So you can see where there's some rusting going on along here, right where it looks like they've maybe caulked that area up to keep it from being an issue. What I would suggest for a long-term solution would be to take this area out and just ice and water re-shingle the whole area. That way, you know you're safe and sound. Okay, so on top of that, you've got some nail pops and some exposed nails. So these nails actually penetrate all the way into your attic space, and so we want to make sure that those get caulked up. So at the very least, you may want to have somebody come out, do a walk-in caulk just to keep all of this nice and secure, because it's going on all of your ridge caps, and we don't want any water getting in that way. So okay, so I think that pretty much covers it. So I'll be down in just a minute to help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.